Today, we're going to be talking about how to get pre-approved for a loan. So the very first thing that you should do when considering whether or not to buy a house is call me. First thing I'm going to tell you to do is talk to a lender and get pre-approved for a loan. The reason that this is the best way to get started is going through this process gives you a thorough understanding of your financial situation and what's going to be best for you. So oftentimes you'll find that you qualify to purchase a house at a price that's much higher than what you actually want to spend. And so during that process, it's really important to kind of find the right balance for you when it comes to down payment and mortgage payment. So figuring out what situation is best for you is going to make sure that you're in a position where you're not house rich and cash poor, because we never want to put you in a situation like that. So if you'd like recommendations on how to choose a lender, or maybe recommendations on which lender is going to be best for you, reach out to me and I'd love to help you out. If you're still on the fence considering whether or not to get pre-approved for a loan or even look into the process, consider this. In the 80s, interest rates were as high as 18%. 18% is crazy. In the 90s and 2000s, it kind of fluctuated in between that 5 and 10% range. It's only been in the last decade that we've seen those interest rates dip below 5%. So you can take advantage of this position in the market and in the economy to at least explore the option. Because if you look at it over the course of the past 40 years, now is the cheapest time to borrow money. Now, once you start going through the pre-approval process, the process itself can be as easy or as difficult as you want to make it. If you want to make it as easy as possible on yourself, make sure that you have all of your financial documents ready before you speak to a lender. That's everything from pay stubs to bank statements to tax returns. Anything that you think would be useful to kind of tell your story financially is going to be a huge help in guiding you through that pre-approval process. So get off the sidelines, stop window shopping, get in the game, call me, and I'll help you get started.